United Technologies Corporation, or UTC, is a multinational conglomerate providing advanced technology products and services in the aerospace and building industries. Otis, Carrier, Pratt Whitney, and Collins Aerospace. You might have heard about these companies or seen their logo somewhere at some point. They form the four business segments of UTC. Otis is a leader in manufacturing elevators and escalators for commercial and residential buildings, as well as for infrastructure projects. Chances are, if you've ever had time to look around in an elevator, you might have noticed Otis's logo. Otis has transformed the way we live and work. Imagine you had to climb 20 flights of stairs just to reach your workplace. It could have been your daily workout. But escalators and elevators have facilitated the rise of skyscrapers and contributed to the economic boom. Otis elevators have been installed in megastructures such as the Empire State Building, Petronas Twin Towers, and Burj Khalifa. Carrier is a leading provider of HVAC, fire, and refrigeration solutions for residential, commercial, and industrial purposes. A few of the company's notable brands are Chubb & Kidd, both manufacturers of fire detection equipment, and Carrier, manufacturer of HVAC equipment. Given the global reach of these brands, there's a huge possibility that your home's heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and fire detection systems are powered by Carrier brands. Pratt Whitney operates in the aviation market. They manufacture aircraft engines and auxiliary power systems for commercial and military purposes and provide repair and maintenance services as well. The world's most advanced military aircraft, the F-35 Lightning II, is powered by Pratt & Whitney's F-135 propulsion engines. In October 2019, Pratt & Whitney was awarded a $5.7 billion production contract to provide its F-135 propulsion engines. Pratt & Whitney generally competes with General Electric and Rolls-Royce for contracts, but it has formed joint ventures with both of them to manufacture engines for the Airbus A380 and Airbus A320. Collins Aerospace was formed in 2018 as a result of bringing together UTC Aerospace Systems and Rockwell Collins. The company is one of the largest aerospace systems provider in the world. It is also a supplier to international space programs. In January 2020, Collins signed a $320 million contract with Lockheed Martin to provide services on the production of NASA's Orion spacecraft fleet. The project has a goal to land on the Moon by 2024 and prepare for missions to Mars thereafter. UTC's consolidated net sales have increased from $57 billion in 2013 to $79 billion in 2019. Most of the growth has been driven by acquisitions, as organic growth accounted for an annual average of around 4%. Collins Aerospace made up a third of the business and had the highest operating profit margin in 2019. UTC categorizes its four business segments into two divisions, namely the Aerospace Division and the Commercial Division. In November 2018, UTC announced its intentions to separate its commercial business through its spin-offs of Otis and Carrier because it wanted to focus on the aerospace and defense industry. Then, in June 2019, UTC entered into an all-stock merger agreement with Raytheon, a defense contractor and cybersecurity solutions provider. The combined company will be renamed to Raytheon Technologies Corporations, or RTC. According to their investor presentation, UTC expects around $1 billion in gross cost synergies. With this latest merger, RTC plans to spend $8 billion on research of high-end defense programs, including hypersonics and future missile systems, directed energy weapons, and artificial intelligence for commercial aviation. In the aerospace and defense industry, scale is a major success factor, and this is why consolidation has been intensifying over the recent years. The military budget has also been on an uptrend. In 2018, the U.S. Senate approved a defense spending of $716 billion for fiscal year 2019. That amount increased to $738 billion for fiscal year 2020. It seems that RTC is poised to be one of the largest defense contractors for the U.S. and its allies. What are your thoughts about UTC's merger? Could it really have a profound impact on the defense industry?